Welcome back, fellow investors and stock market traders. My name is Jeff. So as I've been mentioning, guys, I wanted to do a full review on SoFi Invest, okay? So I'm over here on the website. Kind of want to get into the details about what this investment platform offers. I want to, really break it down, see if it's going to be a good fit for you. Try to wrap my hands around it. I've been using this platform for a little over 2 weeks now. I feel like I have a pretty good understanding for all the tools and all the resources in this particular website and the app. Let's start from the very top, okay? SoFi is much more than just an investment platform. So they have SoFi Money. They offer a checking and savings account. They have a student loan refinancing program, okay? So if you're a student, you have a lot of student loans kind of hanging out there, they will try and work with you to get all your loans put into one and consolidate some of your debt. They offer private student loans as well, and they have flexible repayment options. Then, of course, they offer personal loans. Now, again, guys, I have not used any of these options besides SoFi Invest. Of course, I like to stay completely out of debt. I don't like to owe the banks or the websites any money, but I guess that all really depends on the situation I'm in. There might be an opportunity where I do need to take advantage of one of these personal loans, but again, I have not used any of this stuff. They also offer home loans. Then they also have what's called SoFi Relay, okay? And that's where you track all of your accounts in one place. Okay, so in this video, all we're gonna focus on is the investment side of this platform. Being this is an investing channel, we talk mostly about the stock market. I think that is the only real part of this platform my subscribers are going to be interested in. So let's dive in. Real quick though, guys, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate all of the support. And make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. And I figured just for fun, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my portfolio and share it with everybody here on YouTube. Like I said, right now I currently have about $300 in the investment side of the platform. So this is usually how I approach a new platform. This is how you all should approach a new platform. I don't like to dump a lot of money in it until I'm very comfortable with all the features and tools. And so I might start with $100 or $200 and build on that as time goes on. But for starters, I like to use a smaller amount of money like this. And as you can see right down here, guys, you have an individual investing account. Then you also have a cryptocurrency account, okay? So you basically have two doors of investment there. You have one side that's focused on the stock market. You have another side that's focused on cryptocurrency investing, okay? Let's check out the stock market side first. I want to cover some of the details there, and then we'll go look at the crypto side. So again, I'm on the website right now, have about $250 of total account value. Now let's go down to that very first line. You can see I have $149.05 of buying power, and then I have a long list of stocks under that. Now, what really sells this platform, what I really like about this platform, obviously there's no commission fees, okay? You can buy into as many stocks as you want. You're not gonna pay any commission costs. And then the fractional share buying, where I compare it very similar to M1 Finance, but it even has a small tool that I don't feel like M1 Finance has, that you can spend as little as $1 at a time. Where on M1 Finance, the smallest amount of money you can spend is $10, okay? And so they have what is called stock bits, okay? Basically, guys, it's fractional share buying, okay? Stock bits make it possible to own part of a stock from your favorite company without committing to an entire share. Now, this comes in very handy when you want to invest in some of the bigger companies like Amazon or Google. Amazon trading over $1,700 a share. Google, that stock has been trading between $1,200 and $1,300 a share. So one share of that stock, is $1,000+ more than my entire account value. So you can invest in these companies with just $1 at a time. That is what stock bits is. So when I was building this portfolio, guys, I decided I wanted to go in a real value direction, okay? Don't want a lot of high growth plays because my other portfolios are so loaded with every kind of tech company, software company, any kind of high growth stock. I own it on some levels. This portfolio, I knew I was going to be showing it here on YouTube, and I want to encourage value investing. The very first line under buying power, that's Lululemon, okay? And that was the bonus I got for signing up. I got $25 free of any stock I wanted. and I chose Lululemon. I think it is the most high growth company, but it also adds value, and they are just a juggernaut on earnings time after time. And so I've got $25 of that stock. As you can see right now, I'm up $1.10, which, like I said, investing on these smaller levels, obviously you're not going to see the bigger returns. But here in the starting stages of owning this brokerage, I'm not really expecting big returns. I'm just working with all the different tools and trying to get familiar with the platform, okay? Now let's go one line under that, and you see I own Costco. Come all the way over here to the right, you see I have $3.09 invested into Costco. I've been buying that $1 at a time, okay? So $2 to $3 of share value fall off Costco, I throw another dollar on it. Maybe $4, $5, $6 fall off, I throw another dollar on it, okay? That's a really, really awesome tool, especially starting here in this position. You know, we really do not know what kind of situation we have coming. It was announced today that we do have a partial trade agreement between the United States and China, but I'm still expecting a very volatile fall and winter. And so that's the real beauty of using the SoFi platform, guys. You can spend $1 at a time. I do it all the time. I got $50 the other day as part of a referral bonus. And the first thing I did, I put $1 down on a couple different stocks, okay? And here you go, guys. I will just scroll up and down this list if you want to see all the different positions I own. And then you can pause the video and look at the ticker symbols. And I'm sure most of you probably recognize these companies, you know. But if you don't, you know, feel free to buy into some of these companies or whatever you want to do. You can model your portfolio after mine. I do not mind that at all. Like I said, this portfolio is really built for value, not growth. And so everybody knows I have exercised all the functional tools on this platform, okay? And they all work just fine as far as depositing money into the account, selling stocks, and then withdrawing money back to your checking account or whatever you have. All those tools work perfectly fine. I'm not noticing any fees being taken out of the account, so everything is truly commission free and there's no fees on any of these transactions. So very, very nice platform. You know, usually takes 2 or 3 days for the funds to settle so you can put the money back in your checking account. But like I said, that's pretty standard with any brokerage account that you use. Another thing I want to mention, guys, not all stocks on this platform are eligible for stock bits. So there is a long list. They will show you that on the website before you sign up of stocks that are eligible for stock bits. And as I mentioned, this company, they are working harder and harder to get more and more companies added to that fractional share buying program as time goes on. But for now, there is some limitations. Like I said, this company here, LTC Properties, they are not quite yet eligible for fractional share buying, but you can still buy the stock. You would just have to buy one entire share, okay? And so eventually, like I said, they're trying to add more and more companies all the time. But with some of these stocks, yes, you will have to buy an entire share with some of these companies. Let's take a look too at the different types of orders that they have on the brokerage account. They have where you can buy at market price, and they also have limit orders. And of course, you guys all know me. I only use limit orders. I don't know how much money that has made me over the years. I'm sure it has made me a ton of money not using market orders. I always use limit orders, and I patiently wait till I get the price that I'm wanting. Again, this is another big leg up where they have another advantage over M1 Finance, where M1 Finance does not currently have limit orders, okay? They only offer market orders. I think this is a big leg up for SoFi Invest, that they have this feature and it's fully functional. And guys, again, I've used it many, many times, probably over 100 times, and it works just fine. All right, so let's talk about this quick, then we're going to head over to crypto and we're going to be all done, guys. There is another really big way you can make lots of money using SoFi Invest, and it starts with you signing up for an account, okay? Now, if you want to sign up for a SoFi Invest account, guys, I will have a link down in the comment section and it will be pinned, and I will also have a link in my description box. But basically, this referral program is bring in friends and make money. And you can earn up to $10,000 for referring friends to SoFi. I have never in my life heard anything like this, where a company will pay you up to $10,000 in referral bonuses. And I gotta say, of all the brokerages, Robinhood, Webull, M1 Finance, Coinbase, the list goes on, SoFi has by far the most generous referral bonus I have ever heard of, and it is currently $50. Okay, so when you get somebody to sign up for an account and fund their account with up to $100, you will receive $50 free of stock. And it really could not be any simpler, okay? Just go down to the comment section and click on the link that I have. You will sign up for an account, then you will go through the app and find the Refer a Friend program. You will get your unique link to SoFi and then invite friends. When they sign up, you make more money. So it's outstanding referral program. And like I said, $50 a head. So you think if you got 10 people to sign up, you would make $500. If you got 20 people to sign up, you would make $1,000. So a very, very outstanding program. Now, last but not least, let's talk quickly about the cryptocurrencies that they offer, okay? Again, there's absolutely no commission fees on any of your crypto buys, sells, deposits, or withdrawals, okay? Now, as you can see right down here, my holdings, I have $50 of Bitcoin, okay? I bought $25 of Bitcoin, and then as part of the sign-up bonus, they gave me a free $25 of Bitcoin. And right here, you can pull up your personal investment. I have $49.80 of total value. My average cost on Bitcoin is $8,366. So if the price of Bitcoin keeps on declining, I will buy more and more as the price gets cheaper. Otherwise, I'm happy right where I'm at. It was up to $8,800 today, so had a really nice gain at one point. Now let's talk about the cryptocurrencies that are available to be bought here on SoFi. Right now, there's only 3, okay? You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So from that point of view, you're still probably better off, using Coinbase or something like that. Coinbase Pro, that's what I'd use to make all of my transactions. But I just look at it like this is a little extra Bitcoin for me to buy. As anybody knows that's in Trade Alerts Pro, we trade cryptocurrency all the time. And so I have no objection to using this platform to make those trades. And like I said, being that there's no fees, that again is a small advantage over Coinbase, where Coinbase charges very, very hefty fees to buy and sell their cryptocurrencies. But for now, the only 3 that are available to be bought and sold is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now they do have a very extensive watch only list. And of course, you can watch these cryptocurrencies and you can observe them and pull up charting and things of that nature. And also, I have read in several emails that they are working very hard to get more and more of these crypto coins added to the platform. So very, very excited about that. I'm looking through this list right now, and I personally own and have traded several of these different crypto coins. So I think there's another real opportunity here. And of course, as most people do know, owning Bitcoin, that is going to be our digital future. It's going to be the currency of the future and the present. And I feel even here at $8,300, Bitcoin is very undervalued. So that pretty much wraps up the crypto side of the platform. And that's what you got. You have your investment side and your cryptocurrency side. And together, it's a very, very nice investing platform. Head down to the comment section. I will have my link sitting there, and it will be ready for you to sign up anytime you are ready. And that's all I got for the video, guys. Go down to the comment section if you have any further questions about SoFi Invest, and I will try to help you. In case I left anything off or there's something you're still kind of curious about, as long as it does with the investing in cryptocurrency side of the platform, I should be able to answer those questions and help you. So thank you as always for watching the video, and have an awesome day.